project that we would like to have Kim Brusatori, Executive Director of the Village Learning and Achievement Center, come talk to us about. Kim, thank you.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you for asking me to speak today, Glen. I have been asked to relay information on Village Learning Center's new project named Village at Hickotry Glen Apartment Homes, which is a federal housing and urban development project, which will be located in Kingwood. The project is being sponsored by Village Learning and Achievement Center and the Mental Health and Mental Retardation Authority of Harris County. Both of our organizations strongly believe that individuals with developmental disabilities belong in their own communities versus institutions. It's been proven that individuals do better and have a higher quality of life if they are near their families and living in their own community. In order to make this possible, Village Learning Center and Mental Health and Mental Retardation Authority have realized that we will have to build the supports and programs needed in the community to help facilitate this. One of the major supports is obviously affordable and safe residential housing. Before we get into much details about the housing project, I thought I would give you a little bit of background information on the various services that Village Learning Center offers. Our organization will be the main provider of services to the apartment complex once it's completed. Village Learning Center was founded in 2000, 12 years ago, in order to provide programs and services to individuals with developmental disabilities in order to help them reach their maximum potential and level of independence. We have an annual revenue of $2 million per year. We have about 45 employees currently. We serve 140 children and adults currently. We serve disabilities include blind, deaf, autism spectrum disorder, Down syndrome, cerebral palsy, traumatic brain injury, and others. And we provide these services through 5 main core services. The first is our state assisted living residential facility named Village at Stony Glen. Many people ask me, I've always wondered what that building was. It's behind Walgreens off of North Park in Woodland Hills. We serve people there, private pay residential services, those who do not have state funding. And the house has an occupancy of 16 residents in total. The second program is our day program, which is less than a block away from Village at Stony Glen, where we provide services up to 85 clients on a daily basis. The center is a place where they socialize, exercise, maintain reading and math skills, develop vocational skills, and receive community-based instruction. Our new building, our after-school child care program, is for children and adults starting at the age of 5, going through 22. This service is essential to family members who need to work. Many typical child care centers will not take our children with disabilities. They're not geared up for it. We also provide supported employment services. I'm sure many of you have met our Employment Advantage specialist, Mary Sierra, who works diligently to provide vocational opportunities to individuals who are capable and want to work. Mary's done an incredible job in placing over 81 people in jobs in competitive employment over the last 10 years. She's asked me to thank all of the businesses in our community who have worked with her and helped our clients succeed in this. And obviously, transportation is vital if we are to get people where they need to go. We have 7 wheelchair-accessible vans, which are going 7 days a week, providing transportation to work, to the center, to medical appointments, and recreational and social events. So why affordable housing? Why is it important? Apartment and home rental rates are higher in our community than surrounding neighbors. 99% of the individuals we serve qualify as low income. Many receive no more than $698 per month through Social Security. Parents or siblings usually end up subsidizing their children's living arrangements for their entire lifetime. And many parents are unfortunately single mothers who have limited resources due to a higher divorce rate for families of children with disabilities. Village at Hickotry Glen Apartment Homes was formed, and its mission is to provide quality and affordable housing. It is a 501c3 nonprofit. It's separate from Village Learning Center. Many people may not know that. Its board is comprised of 7 members, 4 appointed by Village Learning Center and 3 by the Mental Health and Mental Retardation Authority of Harris County. It is proud to say the first Section 811 affordable housing project to serve individuals with developmental disabilities in the state. So we're very happy about that. It will serve as a model for other communities to follow in the future for providing affordable housing to our population. And the great thing is that HUD provides a rental subsidy monthly, where tenants will only have to pay 30% of their total income, so about $200 to $250. It's been a long process, to say the least. If you've ever worked with HUD in the government, you'll know what I'm talking about. But we started in October of 2008, and we are currently about there. We're about ready to start construction next month. So it has been a process. It is located across from Kingwood Park High School. We'll do sections I and K, will encompass the apartments. It's in a great neighborhood because Walmart's there, Starbucks, McDonald's, Walgreens. I mean, really, it's perfect for walking distance, and we couldn't have chosen a better location. This is a plan view or a site plan of the apartment complex itself. It'll have 6 one-bedrooms, 6 two-bedrooms, and 3 three-bedrooms. It'll have a clubhouse. It'll be totally fenced and secured by a gate. This is the front elevation. Friendswood has had their say in how we do this and what we do, so we've had to put stone facing on the outside to follow the requirements from Friendswood. This is the clubhouse, exercise, meeting, laundry facility. It will have a full-time manager on site at all times. The Hickotry completion date is slated for June 2013, probably be the end of the year. We all know how that goes. The funders, it's a $2.845 million project. We've gotten funding from HUD, the City of Houston, which just approved our grant of $881,000 last week, so we're very appreciative of them, the Federal Home Loan Bank, and the Meadows Foundation. We have special thanks, especially to Friendswood and to North Park Place Community Association, because without their first initial approval of the project of a multifamily, we wouldn't be here today talking about it. So we appreciate that. The groundbreaking ceremony is set for July 16th at 3 p.m. We'll be out there with our hard, our shovels and our hard hats. So we'll try to get that information out. We would love for you to join us. So thank you very much for letting me come up and tell you all about it. I'm excited.